How to fix app crashing in Honor Magic 7. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open and close app like that. Open and close app. After that, update your app. For update your app, go to your Play Store, and in Play Store can you search here your app and then update your app. After updating your app, then open settings and then scroll down and click on system and updates. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update the latest version, then update it to latest version. After that, go back and click on reset and then click on reset all settings and then again click on reset all settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.